everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this specific Mer charger. Before I do, it's good to know that with Mer you have the option to charge as a guest user or by registering on our network. As a guest user, you don't need to register with us. You can charge using contactless payment or via the Mer Connect UK app. To charge using contactless payment, plug in the connector to your vehicle, follow the instructions on the charger and hold your payment card on the payment terminal to start the charge. To stop the charge, press stop on the charger and disconnect the cable from your vehicle. To charge via the Mer Connect UK app, select the correct connector on the charger, plug in the connector to your vehicle and swipe to start the charge. To stop the charge, swipe on the app to stop the charge and return the connector to the charger. If you are a registered customer, log into the Mer Connect UK app, select the correct connector on the charger, plug the connector into your vehicle and swipe to start the charge. To stop the charge, swipe on the app to stop and return the connector to the charger. As a registered customer, you can view your charging history, billing overview and much more in the app. You can also charge via your web browser as a registered user or a guest user via the driver portal accessible on the Mer website. To charge using your Mer Charge card, create an account via the app or driver portal to order your card. Once you've received it, hold the card on the reader, select the correct connector on the charger and plug in your vehicle to start the charge. If you're using a CCS connector, the charge will begin. If you're using a CHAdeMO connector, press start on the charger to start your charge. To stop the charge, swipe the card on the reader and return the cable to the charger. Detailed instructions on how to use the charger can be found on the charger. For more information about our roaming partners and prices, visit our website uk.mer.eco.